Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by finding which apps are running elevated and why. Open Start and locate the app. Right-click and inspect properties immediately. Once done, check the Compatibility tab and uncheck Run this program as an administrator for shortcuts. You should also open Task Manager and scan the Details pane for elevated processes with the shield icon. This first pass quickly removes accidental admin launches and gives you the list of apps that need a permanent change. Now you apply the deeper fixes that stop apps from demanding elevation. For each executable, right-click, Properties, Compatibility, and clear the admin checkbox. That handles most cases. If the application ships with an embedded manifest declaring run level, you can replace or edit the manifest to remove the requested execution level tag, but proceed cautiously. Alternatively, create a scheduled task that runs the program with highest privileges disabled and launch that task via a shortcut. This is a reliable workaround for stubborn apps. Finish by enforcing system-wide controls so apps no longer require admin. Open Local Group Policy Editor and tighten user account control policies to block automatic elevation. Make sure user accounts no longer have unnecessary administrator rights through Control Panel or Settings, because privilege removal prevents elevation prompts. Once done, test launching each application. If something breaks, revert the specific policy or restore the compatibility setting for that app. Troubleshooting tip: if an app fails without admin, temporarily re-enable the original setting to diagnose the exact requirement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.